Everywhere you scroll, there's one message: use AI to grow your brand. But here's the truth no one's telling you. Most people are using AI tools the wrong way. In this video, we're breaking down what AI first branding actually means and how to use it to grow your business without sounding like a robot. AI can give you words, AI can give you images, but branding? That's about how people feel when they see or hear from you. AI first doesn't mean auto-generated everything. It means using AI to speed up your process while staying human where it counts. Don't just copy-paste prompts. Combine them with your tone, your story, your customers' actual pain points. That's where AI shines. Here's our AI first branding system at Brand Locally. Step 1, you talk. Send us a voice note, Zoom clip, or your raw thoughts. Step 2, AI assists. We use AI tools to script, structure, and brainstorm content faster. Step 3, we edit. Our team polishes every piece, matching your voice, tone, and platform style. Step 4, you show up. Confident, consistent, and on brand across every channel. It's fast because of AI. It's powerful because it's still you. We've seen the difference. People who go all AI, their content feels empty. It doesn't connect. It doesn't convert. AI is a tool, not your brand. And if you want to build real trust in 2025, you need content that feels real, even if it's AI assisted. AI is the best branding tool we've ever had, if you know how to use it. At Brand Locally, we help small business owners, coaches, and agents create powerful, on-brand content using AI and expert strategy. Want to build a brand that's fast, real, and ready for 2025? Comment Smart Brand or hit the link in the description. Your message deserves better than copy-paste. Let's make it unforgettable. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye.